Hello all you crafty friends, this is Debbie coming on after being gone for a year. I'm so glad you're back with me today. I took a year off because I was busy taking care of my elderly mother as she became more frail and became very ill, and I just had to put some of my own interests on the back burner so I could be with her in her later stage of life. I did lose her in November. I miss her a lot, but it was really an honor to take care of her and help her through her final days. I'm back on today though to show you a project I made for Easter. I know I'm 3 days late. I'm getting back in my groove here, but I designed some giant Hershey bars in the Easter theme, as you can see. And you can design these for any holiday or special occasion. I have done them for Christmas, Valentine's Day, Easter, Halloween, birthdays, anniversaries, and just for little love gifts. And so I wanted to share with you that these are made on a computer. And as far as the Hershey bar goes, this is the giant Hershey bar. This is the milk chocolate bar, but it comes in almond and it comes in dark chocolate. You can get symphony bars. This particular size is the 7.56 ounce size, but you can cover Hershey bars of any size by just using this technique. I'm not going to show you today how I did this, but I am going to show you that I did it, and maybe in a different video, if there's interest, I'll show you how I do it on the computer. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to push this Hershey bar aside, and I'm going to bring these to the side a little bit too, so I could show you the actual printout of what I designed on the computer. This is how it prints out. And what I did is I just made a space with a rectangle on my computer using the software Microsoft Word. This largest rectangle that goes around the entire wrapper is 7 5 inches wide and 10 inches high. And that's what you need for this size of bar. And then I divided it up into 3 spaces, as you can see. The top space is 2 3/4 high. The middle space, where the main design is 4 3/8 inch high. The bottom space is 2 7/8 inches high. As you can probably tell, the top and the bottom space are the spaces that end up to be on the back of the wrapper, okay? You're probably wondering, where did I find the images for these? You can find them on Etsy. You can find them on a place called pixabay.com. I'll put that in the description box below. Here, I just did a search for Easter background or Easter papers, and I found this little pattern and I downloaded it. And for this banner, I just searched for Happy Easter words on Google, and it returned several different options. I chose this one. And then for this one, I just Googled Easter eggs in grass, and I found this. And I knew that this is kind of what I wanted to do. I wanted to lay it out this way. And you'll notice that there's nothing here. And that's because I wanted to save that space for a little embellishment. And here's the embellishment that I used. This is a metal die cutting set from AliExpress. It's an Easter bunny, as you can see. And I store these in envelopes and on magnetic card bases here, but this is the set of metal cutting dies that I used. And let's see here, what did I use? Okay, I used the ears where both of them flop down, as you can see. Okay, and then the rest of the bunny is made with the other pieces where you have the feet and the ear insets and the bow. Okay, and then in the middle of the bow, I put a little fuzzy ball. Let me bring this up close. Right here, you can see that. The bow is made out of polka dotted paper. And then for the gems that come down the side, I have a box full of these kind of gems. These little gems are 6 millimeter in size, and I put them down each side. It really, really dresses this up, and it makes it really special. I hope you can see that. These gems are stick-on gems. They're adhesive back, flat back gems, as you can see. Okay. So when you peel them off of the acetate here, they just stick right on whatever you're sticking them to. Then as you can see, I kind of stuck some extra gems around. I'm not sure I would do that again, but I did it for these and I'm not going to change it. So this is just a little project share I wanted to come on today and show you. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, if you would like to see a step-by-step about how to do a Google search for these kind of images and how to put them into a template, let me know in the comments down below and I will plan on doing that for you. Again, this can be done for any occasion, any holiday, and the people that receive it just love them. Okay, so hey, thanks for coming by. If you like this video, please give it your thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button and personalize it for how you want to receive notifications. Okay, thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.